Hello Odoo. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video we are going to see how to hide show this contact us button. So basically in website default theme, it's coming here in navigation bar corner side. So if you want to hide or show this conditionally, so to hide we need to activate the website editor. So here we click on editor and click on edit button here, and then we will click here in navigation bar here, and here you can see these elements, and here this hide show buttons. So currently it's visible and I clicked, so it's hide. Now if I click again, then you can see it's visible, right? So in this way we can hide so this button and click on save. I hope this video will help.